friends, myself Mr. Narendra Jangale from Gokhale Education Society's R.M.Bhatt High School, Parel. Welcome students. Today we are going to study SSC Class 10th Maths Part 1, Second Chapter, Quadratic Equations. Dear friends, from that chapter we are going to study practice set 2.5. This practice set is based on the following properties. Let us see that properties. First one is discriminant. Here the value of b square minus 4ac is called discriminant and it is denoted by the symbol delta. So remember this. Second, nature of roots of the quadratic equation. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means positive, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means negative, then the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. So remember these 3 points. Now next one is the relation between the roots of the quadratic equation and their coefficients. So here if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by a. But this part is deleted from our syllabus. Only remember this concept. Now third concept is to obtain the equation if alpha and beta are given. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the equation can be written as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Let us see practice set 2.5. We see this practice set is based on 2-3 concepts. First one is discriminant. When we compare this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get the values of a, b, c. And then we find the value of b square minus 4ac. That value of b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Depending upon the value of b square minus 4ac, we can determine the nature of the roots. First condition, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots of the equation are real and equal. Second, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means positive, then the roots are real and unequal. And next condition, if it is less than 0, that means negative, the roots are not real. So here in question number 1, activity is given in exercise 2.5. The question number 1 is activity based question. Fill in the gaps and complete the table. So here if we observe this question number 1, one quadratic equation is given, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is the standard form of the quadratic equation. The value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 5. And here if the value of b square minus 4 is equal to 4ac is equal to minus 5, then we have to write the nature of the roots in this box and we have to complete that box. So how can we write the nature? B square minus 4ac is equal to 5. 5 means it is greater than 0. Whenever greater than 0, what I told, if the value is positive greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. Means we get two different roots, real and unequal. When the value is negative, then the roots are not real. Roots are not real numbers. And if it is 0, then real and equal. So in this way, we have to complete this activity number 1. So remember again, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. B square minus 4ac is positive, means greater than 0, real and unequal. B square minus 4ac is less than 0 or negative, then the roots are not real. So in this way we can complete that activity. Let us say second activity. Here the second activity is given. Sum of the roots is equal to minus 7. Product of the roots is 5. Then we have to write the quadratic equation. So you know, the roots are denoted by the letters. This sum of the roots means what is given? Alpha plus beta. The roots are denoted by alpha beta is equal to minus 7. And their product means alpha into beta is equal to 5. Then you know what is the formula to write the equation, to get the equation. So what is the expected equation? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So if we substitute the values, we get x square minus 7x and plus 5 is equal to 0. So we get the equation here, x square minus plus 7x and plus 5 is equal to 0. So in this way, if alpha beta, this alpha beta sum of the roots is given and the product of the roots is given, then using this formula, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Using this formula, we can write the equation. So this is the second part. That middle part is omitted, that the relation between alpha beta and the coefficient ABC. The alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to minus c upon a. So that part is, so here the equation is given, root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Now compare this root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What we get after comparison with this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to this one. This one is the coefficient of square term. A is equal to root 2. Then coefficient of middle term is b, where it is, here it is 4. And coefficient means constant term, that is c is equal to 2 root 2. So in this way, first write the values of a, b and c. Then find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b is equal to 4 square minus, use the bracket, 4 into root 2 into 2 root 2 means a into c. Now multiply, 4 square is 16 minus, use the bracket, 4 2s are 8 into root 2 into root 2 is 2. So remember here, this 4 multiplied by 2 becomes 8. This root 2 multiplied by root 2 becomes 2. So we get 16 minus 8 2s are 16 is equal to 0. So here in this case we get the value of b square minus 4ac, that means delta is equal to 0. So here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So in this way, in any example, we can find the value of discriminant. So this is the question number 2. Find the value of discriminant. I think you got the idea about this question, how to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Now let us see next part from this. Now this is question number 3 from practice set 2.5. If we read that question, what is given? Determine the nature. Nature means that 3 possibilities. Either the roots are real, equal, real, unequal, and not real. That we have to decide. And you know, we can decide that using this b square minus 4ac. The value of b square minus 4ac, we can decide this one. So here, first we have to compare this equation with the first equation is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now compare this equation with this x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we get, after comparison, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 4 after comparing. Now find the value of discriminant, that means b square minus 4ac. That is the common thing. B square means minus 4 square minus into bracket 4 into a into c. B square minus 4ac, so 4 into a into c. Now compare, square of every number is positive, therefore it is 16 minus 4 4s are 16, so here it is 0. Therefore what is our conclusion? B square minus 4ac, this value is 0. Now you know, whenever b square minus 4ac is 0, what are the root of nature of the root? Roots are real and equation. Therefore roots of x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0 are real and equal. If 0, then real and equal. So in this way, by comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, write the value of abc, then find b square minus 4ac. This value is 0. That's why if it is 0, then the roots are real and equal. Now let us see third example from this practice set. Question number 3, example number 3. Again we have to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c. So compare m square plus m plus 9 is equal to 0 with, so here it is m, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, or we can add am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to the coefficient of square term, so here a is equal to 1, b is the coefficient of middle term, that is 2, and c is equal to 9. Now find the value of b square minus 4ac again. So b square means 2 square minus, use bracket 4 into 1 into 9. So here this 2 square is 4 and minus 9 4s are 36. So here the value is minus 32. Subtract the smaller number from larger one and place the sign of larger number. Therefore what is our conclusion? The value of b square minus 4ac. It is negative means less than 0. Negative, that means less than 0. And whenever it is less than 0, the roots are not real because we can't find the root of the negative number. Therefore, the roots of which equation? M square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0 are not real. So in this way we can decide the nature of the root, whether the roots are real and equal. Second thing, real and unequal. Whenever it is greater than 0, that means positive, plus 32 is there, then it is real and unequal. If it is 0, then real and equal. So in this way we can solve that question number 3. Let us see here it is the question number 4 from practice set 2.5. What is that question? Form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. So we have to form the quadratic equation, which is the expected equation. That equation we have to write here using the values of alpha and beta. The roots are given, that means this is the value of alpha and beta. So alpha, beta are given, then we have to find the quadratic equation. So here alpha and beta is given, alpha is 0, beta is 4. So first we have to find the value of alpha plus beta, that one is equal to 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Second value that we have to find, it is alpha beta, that means 0 multiplied by 4 is equal to 0. So here the given equation is, therefore the quadratic equation is, the first we have to write the formula. So is it clear? First find the value of alpha plus beta from the given values. We get 4. Then alpha into beta, that is 0. Now the quadratic equation is, the expected quadratic equation is, what is the formula? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. That is the formula. So is equal to, substitute the values, x square minus 4x, because alpha plus beta is 4, so it is minus 4x, plus alpha plus beta is equal to, alpha into beta is 0. So we get, therefore x square minus 4x plus 0 is equal to 0. Therefore the equation is x square minus 4x is equal to 0. So this is the equation, desired equation. So now let us see second question. Now in second question, the values of alpha and beta given again. These are 3 and minus 10. So write that values. So here alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 10. Alpha and beta are the letters to denote the roots of the equation. Then find the value of alpha plus beta. First we have to find the value of alpha plus beta. So we get 3 minus 10 is equal to, 3 minus 10 is minus 7. So we get alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7. Subtract the smaller from larger one. Second one, alpha beta is equal to 3 into minus 10 is equal to minus 30. In product, different sign, negative sign. Now the quadratic equation is, alpha plus beta value is there 7, alpha into beta is minus 30, and therefore the quadratic equation is, so in this way we can write the equation from the alpha and beta. X square minus, first write the formula, L alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now substitute the value. X square as it is. This is minus 7 minus become plus 7x. If alpha plus beta is negative, it becomes positive. If it is positive, it becomes negative. And here plus sign is there and here minus. So minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is x square plus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. So in this way, we can write the equation, we can form the equation if alpha and beta, these two values are given. Now this fifth and sixth sum, these are deleted from our syllabus. Now let us see that seventh sum which is in our syllabus. The roots of the quadratic equations. What is given? The roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. That is very important point. Then find the value of k. The equation is 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of k. The condition is the roots are real and equal. When the roots are real and equal, whenever the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we get this roots are real and equal. So first find the value of b square minus 4ac. So first we have to compare this given equation 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0 with a y square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Why we take y? Because the equation is in y variable. So coefficient of square term means a is equal to 3, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 12. We are doing in all examples these values. We are comparing and finding the values of ABC. Next step, find the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to. Now you know the value of b means k. So k square minus, use the bracket, 4 into 3 into 12. 4 into a into c. So we get k square minus. So here we get 4 3s are 12. 12 multiplied by 12 is 144. So we get b square minus 4ac is equal to k square minus 144. But what is the condition? The roots of the quadratic equation that is given. The roots of the equation are real and equal. So that condition is important. This condition tells us roots are real and equal means b square minus 4ac. Therefore the value of b square minus 4ac must be 0. So here this is important. The roots are real and equal. That is given. Therefore what we conclude? Therefore this b square minus 4ac is 0. Now substitute the value of b square minus 4ac, which is k square minus 144 is equal to 0. Therefore k square is equal to this 144, 0 plus 144. Now k is equal to, 2 roots plus minus 12. So here 2 roots are there plus minus 12, but we consider only positive root. Therefore here it is 12. So we get k is equal to 12. So in this way we can find the value of k. So this is our exercise or practice 2.5. So find the value of k. That last question is very important. Let us see, repeat that question. Here we have to find the value of k. The question is, the roots of the quadratic equations are real and equal. Find k. The equation is 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. First compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and find the value of abc. After getting the value of abc, find b square minus 4ac. This we get k square minus 144. But what is given? The roots of the equation are real and equal, and therefore our conclusion is b square minus 4ac must be 0. That means b square minus 4ac means k square minus 144 is equal to 0. So k square is 144, k is equal to plus minus 12 or only 12. So we get k is equal to 12. So in this way we can find the value of the variable k, that constant k. So here this practice set 2.5 is completed. So here we can write both the values, or k is equal to minus 12. Write both the values. K is equal to plus minus 12 means k is either 12 or k is equal to minus 12. So in this way we complete this practice set 2.5. If you have any doubt in this practice set, then write in a comment box. I will try to solve that doubts definitely. Now, if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel to get the latest or new videos, and please share these videos to your friends. That's why the friends also get the benefit of this knowledge or that videos. Thank you.